may cause serious allergic reactions or suicidal thoughts or actions. Tell your doctor right away if you have these, new or worsening depression, or unusual changes in mood or behavior, or swelling, trouble breathing, rash, hives, blisters, muscle pain with fever, tired feeling, or blurry vision.
I don't think she's gonna do it.
Dizziness, sleepiness, weight gain, and
Good
swelling of
thing.
hands, legs, and feet. Don't drink alcohol while taking Lyrica. Don't drive or use machinery until you know how Lyrica affects you. Those who have had a drug or alcohol problem may be more
Oh my
likely to
God,
misuse Lyrica.
stop.
With less pain, I can be more
That's what
active.
the kids
Ask
say.
your doctor about Lyrica.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe the GA's office.
Could be anybody. He's heading towards his office. Take him down.
Don't you step on my blessing.
I'ma get
Get this information.
A hitman's dead. Our star witness is dead. We got nothing.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
Let's go get the bottle.
Pop.
Look at the cat. His big face. Blessing. Samantha. I mean. What is it? I said, Blessing Samantha. I had read the text. And that just said Samantha.
Hi.
Why the change of heart?
That's what you don't understand, Bryce. There's no change of heart in life.
Oh!
I don't know what's wrong.
Blessing, go get the other
I
bottle
have
and
a
feed
habit of
her.
that.
So, let's try a reboot. Nikki's 9:30. You owe me a coffee.
You see that?
Oh, little one.
Bryce?
Leave me
What
alone.
about your mom? Won't it be a little scandalous?
Not if it's our secret.
Maybe we
I'll
can work this one out.
How about we start with me?
She just want something to eat.
Deal.
She just want something to eat.
Something like that.
Oh. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Go ahead. Good job. Do it again. You don't want to do it no more. You see that? Oh my God. Look, look. Watch it jump out.